Hi guys, all of you good morning. Guys, in today's session, I'm showing you how to configure Tomcat and how to run from boot level. This concept we are going to set up by using Linux shell script program. Guys, this is my server. Yes, now I'm checking that Java space icon version. Java is mandatory for Tomcat and cd space / opt. See guys, there is no Java. And so once we configure everything successfully, we can see in the OPT the Tomcat folder here. And we can apply that to Java icon version and we can see that output. Directly we can see that Tomcat service in the browser by logging into the Tomcat. Yes, guys. For this configuration, yes, I have prepared shell script. See guys, this is shell script. Here we are going to execute in different steps. Yes, one, first setting host name. Then we are seeing that host name by applying this command. Now we are going to installing Java 17 development tools. Then we are going to we are setting that Java home path and executable path in the .bash RC file. Next, we are creating one user with the name of Tomcat. We are creating one user with the name of Tomcat. Then we are entering into the OPT folder to download Apache Tomcat. This is the latest version 9.2 in the 9 series. We are downloading this package and we are extracting and we are renaming. We are moving the files. We are moving the files into /opt Tomcat folder. Then once we move these files into Tomcat, then automatically it will be empty. Then we are removing this one. Then we are removing that tar.gz file. If you don't want to remove this one, if you don't want to delete this one, just remove this one. Just remove this one. It won't delete that tar.gz file after downloading. If you want to delete that, yes, you can use this statement. Then we are giving that ownership permission to Tomcat user to access this /opt Tomcat directory. Then we are creating one shell script file for starting the Tomcat service. This is the shell script file we are creating inside this /opt Tomcat directory. And this is the script to start Tomcat service. Then after creating this shell script file, we are giving execute permission to this shell script file. Next, we are going to creating one Tomcat service file. Inside this file, we are adding that network target, Java home path, and Catalina home path, and group Tomcat, and multi-user target. We are adding the script inside this Tomcat service file, where we are going to creating in /etc system daemon system. We are creating that. Then we are going to reloading that system daemon. Yes, daemon reload. Then we are enabling Tomcat service from next reboot to start automatically. This one. Then we are going to starting Tomcat service now at present. We have installed and added service, and we have created one service file and reloaded. For checking right now, without rebooting, yes, we are starting Tomcat service. Then to come out from that phase, and seeing that status, is it running or not? Yes, we are executing that. If you apply this one, the prompt will block. To come out from that, and to release that prompt, yes, we are applying that no phaser. Okay, guys, this one. Next, we are enabling port number for TCP 8080 to access Tomcat service on the browser. And we are reloading that firewall CMD. Then we are going to modify that context.xml to access outside this Linux server. Just we are modifying this one. By default, we won't get this one. So we will get some text here. Just we are replacing with the dot asterisk. Then guys, context.xml file modified. Then we are going to creating user. We are going to creating user, or we are adding user in the Tomcat user.xml file to log in into the Tomcat with the name of admin and password is admin. Role is manager GUI. Then we are adding into this role inside this Tomcat users.xml file. Next, adding user inside that Tomcat users.xml file. Then we are verifying this service, the Tomcat service is running or not successfully. If everything is okay, yes, we can see Tomcat service is running successfully. If it is not running, we can see that logs. What happened? So what is the reason for not running? If everything is okay in this shell script, yes, we can see the final step. The setup has been completed successfully. This is the message we can see if everything is okay. Now let me take this one. Yes, copy this one. And move to be in the OPT. Yes, already I'm in OPT, LL, nothing here. So VAM. So first of all, let me install some packages. Yum install VAM, wget, tar, make, unzip, -y. VAM for editing that file, wget for downloading package, tar for extracting and creating zip files, make for if you have any compilable files, yes, it will compile. Yes, if you have that any zip files, yes, for extracting the zip files by using unzip command, we are going to installing those packages. Just wait guys, it will take some time. But before executing these commands, make sure that little bit high speed internet is required and data also required, because here we are going to installing Java and installing some packages and we are downloading Tomcat and setting that everything there. So it will take some data, so that make sure that before executing that command. Okay, yes, now we are going to creating one file. Yes, VAM Tomcat hyphen setup.sh. Yes, now here whatever you have taken, just hit the enter. Yes, and save and exit and give the permission, execute permissions, chmod u plus x Tomcat setup. Then after giving permission, we can see like this. Yes, now I'm running that Tomcat script file. Guys, it will take couple of minutes to process enter these configuration steps, because there are different steps: downloading, installing, and configuring. Okay, so you should have some patience here. Mostly, hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes. More than that, maybe it won't take that. Or else, I think if have that high speed internet, exactly we can finish within 5 to 10 minutes. Or else below 5 minutes. See, guys, it's a processing. Once once everything is okay, just to take the IP address and move to browser, apply that IP address :8080, hit the enter. Then it will ask that username password. The username is admin and password is admin. Tomcat login username password. Tomcat login username is admin and password is admin. Okay, if everything is okay, we can see that login Tomcat dashboard. Now guys, so Tomcat is downloading Java Home configured, and Tomcat user also created and downloaded Tomcat. Yes, successfully finished guys. Now let me show you that IP space A. Take this IP address and move to browser and paste here. Yes, colon 8080. Just right. Now click on that manager app. Yes, username is admin and password also admin. See guys, successfully we have configured Tomcat by using shell script. Just wait, still it's loading. Guys, here we have installed everything we have installed. What we have installed? So Java we have installed, or Tomcat we have installed, and a configured username password, and we saw that Tomcat dashboard. Now let me show you that. So initially we have applied that Java space -, version. Okay guys, we didn't install that. After executing the shell script, yes, we are seeing the Java version and LL. See guys, the Tomcat also. And okay, the username password, VIM Tomcat conf Tomcat users.xml. See guys, the username password also we can see here. See, admin. And so we have modified VIM/OPT Tomcat web apps manager meta-inf context.xml. See, this context.xml also modified. Okay, and systemctl status Tomcat. Okay guys, Tomcat service also running. Okay, yes. The same shell script we can use for Jenkins and deploying for application by adding some more the required script steps to deploying web application inside this Tomcat. Okay guys, thank you guys. That's all in this process.